Mmm. 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 So good.
Turks ba yan?
Papa P? Yeah, this is my own recipe for Turks. It's really good.
Pingin naman oh. Pingin ng kebab wrap. Pupunta ako dyan.
What? You'll come here? Let me make you one. Okay, everything is ready.
Pwedeng humingin Turks.
Yes, this is for you.
Thank you. Sarap talaga ng Turks.
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Today, tara, Turks tayo.
Tara, Turks tayo.
Today, we are going to be making the most famous shawarma in the Philippines, Turks.
Look what I have! It's our favorite!
First step, we're going to prepare our vegetables. Thinly slice an onion. Make sure it's really thin, otherwise it's going to be bitter. Take your time. Next is our cucumber. We want to remove the seeds, so we're going to use a spoon. Just go in there just like that. We're also going to cut our cucumber just like our onions, really thin. Next is our tomato. I'm going to remove the seeds. Same thing, thinly. Okay, here we got our vegetables all prepared. We got our cucumber, thinly sliced, onions, tomatoes, and lettuce. Make sure these are in bite-sized pieces. They don't have to be thinly sliced. Next, we're gonna make the mayo garlic sauce from Turks. 4 tablespoons of mayo, pepper, salt, then a lot of garlic powder, and a pinch of brown sugar, vinegar. Lastly, to make it not really thick, we're gonna add some milk. Next is the spicy mayo. So everything is the same as the garlic mayo sauce, but we're gonna be adding sriracha, chili pepper. Next, we're gonna prepare our beef, or the filling for our shawarma. We're gonna take 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna cook that garlic over medium-high heat. We're gonna cook until it's translucent, about 2 minutes. Finally, we're gonna add half a pound of ground beef. Once you don't see any more blood in your ground beef, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, brown sugar, then black pepper. And we're gonna cook until it's all coated. The brown sugar is caramelized, and it's gonna taste so good. Okay, all of our ingredients are prepared. Now we gotta warm up our pita. Don't need to put oil, just put it directly in a hot pan. After a few minutes, flip. Hey guys, we got all of our ingredients, just like in Turks, ready to go, ready to be assembled. We got our spicy sauce, garlic mayo, shawarma right here, all of our vegetables. Now Mariane is gonna assemble and show us how to wrap it. First thing to do, we're gonna add those veggies. Ooh, healthy. Cucumbers, nice, thinly sliced. Look at that, so fresh. Ooh. We got our tomatoes, we got our onions. Next, we're gonna be putting our shawarma. You can smell it, nice, sweet, savory. Look at that, guys. Ooh, got our garlic mayo. Look at that. Oh my gosh. spicy. Of course, gotta have that. And lastly, we're gonna wrap it. And then boom, just like in a cone shape, there you have it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, look at that perfect shape, perfect cone. I am so excited to eat this. Now, doesn't matter how it looks, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Smell, oh wow, smells good. You can smell the spiciness and also the sweetness. Oh, let's go.
Oh yeah. Yes.
It's really good. It tastes really fresh because we got the fresh vegetables. Really crispy from the onion and the cucumber. And then the beef is really sweet, just like in Turks. It's really good. Really matches everything. And then you also have the good sauces, the combination of the garlic and spicy. Really, really good.
Does it taste like Turks?
Really tastes like Turks.
Yes.
The sauce is really good. So good. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. It tastes exactly like Turks. I'm actually really hungry and excited to finish the food that I made after this video. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you would like to see me do next. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye! How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no,
Oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise.
I think I have a good choice.
bruh.